Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best acrylic nail starter set on the market, the Saviland Acrylic Nail Starter Kit. Whether you're a complete beginner wanting to try your hand at acrylic nails for the first time or a nail enthusiast looking for a reliable kit. For home use, this set has everything you need to create beautiful, professional quality acrylic nails right from your own space. The Saviland Acrylic Nail Kit is thoughtfully designed to cover every step of the acrylic nail process. It includes 3 shades of acrylic powder, clear, pink, and nude, each weighing 10 grams. These versatile colors allow you to achieve a variety of classic and modern looks, from natural French tips to bold nail art designs. Along with the powders, you get a 30 ml bottle of acrylic monomer liquid, which works seamlessly with the powders to form the durable acrylic layer. One of the standout features of this kit is the quality of the materials. The acrylic powders are ultra-fine and easy to work with, making application smooth and allowing you to shape and sculpt nails with precision. The acrylic liquid is formulated with UV stabilizers to maintain clarity and prevent yellowing over time, ensuring your nails stay fresh and vibrant. Plus, the liquid has good self-leveling properties, so it flows nicely for a flawless finish without running or pooling. The kit is packed with essential tools to guide you through the entire process. It comes with a professional-grade acrylic nail brush, sized just right for extensions and detailed carving. You also get 100 nail forms that help shape the acrylic perfectly, a dap-in dish for mixing, a nail file, a buffer, and 2 wooden cuticle pushers to prep your nails properly before application. Applying the acrylic nails is straightforward and beginner-friendly. You prepare your natural nails by cleaning and pushing back cuticles, then dip your brush into the acrylic liquid and powder to create the acrylic bead. The product air dries naturally, so there's no need for a nail lamp or curing light. This means you won't have to worry about UV exposure or skin darkening. After drying, the acrylic nails form a strong protective layer that lasts for at least 28 days with proper care. This layer helps prevent nail breakage and provides a smooth base for any additional gel polish or decorations you want to add. Safety and sustainability are also priorities for Saviland. The materials are non-toxic and made from sustainable resources, so you can enjoy your nail art without worry. The kit comes in a neat, compact package that makes it easy to store or even gift to friends who love nail design. Overall, the Saviland Acrylic Nail Starter Kit is a complete, high-quality solution that balances ease of use with professional results. It's suitable for both beginners and pros who want to create stunning acrylic nails at home or in a salon setting. If you're ready to take your nail game to the next level, this kit is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.